This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Quick, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim! Mossy the dog is here! Come on! Emergency rescue! When Grandma's dog Mossy comes round to our house, we play ball. Good girl. Now, catch! Yay! Well done, Mossy!
Tim, smoothies.
I'll be back in a minute.
Wash hands, please, Tim.
Okay.
A little bit of ice for Madame.
I love your smoothies, Dad.
Okay. Ready, steady, smoothie!
The blender is really, really noisy.
Mossy!
And it makes Mossy bark. Mossy never likes the noisy blender. Mossy. Oh, Mossy, it's okay. It's okay, Mossy. Mossy, it's okay. Oh, it's only the blender, Mossy. I think Mossy's barking at something outside. Oh, Tim, look! Up in the tree! Oh, yes! It looks like Tiger Fluffy Boots, which is Higley-Pigley's cat. Ah, do you think she's stuck? Yes, Dad! Dad!
What is it?
Look, it's Miss Higley-Pigley's cat. We think he's stuck in that tree. That's why Mossy was barking.
Oh, yes. We need to go and see if we can help Tiger get down. But will one of you stay with Mossy, please?
Oh, I will.
Oh, poor old Tiger.
Really high up.
Yeah, he's a good climber.
Hello, Tiger.
Oh.
Dad! Topsy! Is he all right?
Yes, I don't think Tiger Fluffy Boots is stuck, Tim.
He's happy. Cats love climbing trees.
Yeah, there's no need to worry. Tiger will come down when he's ready.
Oh, poor Tiger Fluffy Boots. He doesn't like Mossy's barking.
Let's go indoors and help Tim with Mossy. Tiger Fluffy Boots will come down on his own when the barking stopped.
Okay, Dad.
Okay.
We take Mossy into the kitchen and she has a drink from her bowl. Mossy stops barking and we have our smoothies.
Smoothies.
These are really nice, Dad. Thanks. Oh, Mossy! Yes, I know, Mossy. Mrs. Higley-Pigley's cat is still up in the tree. Dad! What's going on? Look! Tiger Fluffy Boots is even higher up there now. I don't think he can get down. I think he's really quite stuck now. Can you get him down, please, Dad? Oh, yeah. You can climb the tree and rescue him, Dad. Yes.
Okay, I'll borrow Mr. Fen's ladder.
Oh, yay, brilliant, Dad.
Please, will you both stay inside and play with Mossy Noisy Pants so she stops frightening Tiger the cat with her barking?
Oh, yeah, yes. She likes playing with cuddly toys, so... Here, Mossy, you can play with Fluffness today.
All right. Here we go.
Hey.
This should do.
Okay. We'll soon have the cat down.
Don't worry, Tiger. Dad and Mr. Fen will get you down. give Mossy our old teddy Fluffness to keep. And she forgets all about Tiger the cat.
Okay. Brilliant.
Come on, Puss. Come on. Come on, come on. Tiger. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Nearly, Dad. Nearly. You can do it, Dad.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Look, there's Josie and her mummy. Hi, Josie. Hi. Hi, Topsy and Tim. Hi. Hi, Mr Fen.
Oh, hello, Josie. Hi, Marie.
Hi.
What's going on, Mr Odell?
Mrs. Higley-Pigley's cat stuck up this tree. There, look.
Oh, dear, no, he's gone too high up the tree.
Sorry, Topsy and Tim, I can't reach Tiger.
When Dad called Animal Rescue, they said it wasn't safe for them to climb up so high when a cat gets stuck. They said it was a job for the fire brigade. Wow! Even though we're worried about Tiger Fluffy Boots, we can't help getting excited when a fire engine comes down our road and pulls up on our drive. One of the firemen is Carson, who is our friend Kerry's dad. He'll rescue Tiger.
Oh, I can see the problem. All right, lads, let's get the ladder off the truck. Right, careful, boys, careful. There you go. Keep going. That's it, yeah. Ladder's pitched.
Grandma arrives just when Carson is up the ladder rescuing Tiger.
Okay.
Is that Tiger up there, Mrs. Higley-Pigley's cat?
Yeah.
There you go. Good boy. Here he is.
Ah.
Thank you, guys.
I'll take him.
No. Oh, thanks, Carson.
No problem.
Hello, Tiger. We need to get you back to your owner. She's a friend of mine, you know. This is Mrs. Higley-Pigley's house.
Grandma phones Mrs. Higley-Pigley and tells her that Tiger Fluffy Boots had to be rescued from a tree. And then we take him home.
Hello, Mrs. Higley-Pigley.
Here he is. Thank you. Thank you so much for bringing Tiger Fluffy Boots back home. Why did you go so far up the tree, Tiger?
That was my Mossy the dog's fault, wasn't it, Topsy and Tim?
Yes. Mossy barked at you, didn't she?
Oh, dear.
Oh, Tiger. But we stopped Mossy barking, and then the fire brigade came to rescue Tiger.
Oh,
Did?
It was so exciting.
Oh, you should have seen what happened.
be.
It was, wasn't it? Yes.
And that's when Grandma said, I think it's time to go home for tea now.
I think it's time to go home for tea now, Topsy and Tim. You ready to say goodbye?
Bye-bye, Mrs. Higley-Pigley. See you soon, Tiger Fluffy Boots.
yes. Bye-bye, Jean. And goodbye, Topsy and Tim.
Bye.
Bye.
Come on. Mossy will be waiting for us at home.
And that's it, Grandma. Was that? Doggy biscuits and tea.
Which doggy biscuits would you like to
Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Tiger Fluffy Boots was stuck up a tree. Can you remember what Dad borrowed from Mr Fen to try and rescue Tiger Fluffy Boots? Was it a ladder? Or was it some rope? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. The answer is a ladder. Watch this.
Brilliant.
Come on, Puss. Come on. Come on, come on. Tiger. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Nearly, Dad. Nearly. You can do it, Dad. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon. We can play